Hey guys, we received this AM gutter guard, gutter valley splash guards for test and try, 4 pack wide, and includes stainless steel zip screws and half a quarter hex bit. So you can see this comes with this small pack and nice packing, so used for the gutter guard splash guard, and you can easily install with the supplied screws and the hex thing. Quality wise, this looks really nice, so let me just open this up and show it to you. So here you can see the quality wise, this is good with the nice curves and cut. With the zip screws, it's easy to put in, and the hex nut is always helpful for your drill bit to help in the screws thing. So this is the magnetic thing, it can easily screws up and then use with the drill bit to screws inside that. So it's pretty helpful, and all the things are provided for having the splash guard for your gutter guard. So you can see like the quality wise, this is nice and then holds well with the zip screws and stuff. And this can go on the corners of things for the rain splash guard.